Continuation of burning of magnesium ribbon. Okay, when we are burning, we can obtain the ash, powdery ash. After that, we can collect the ash and mix it with a small amount of water. Stir the mixture well. Test the mixture with blue and red litmus papers. Okay. After that, what we have to do? We have to collect the ash. After burning, we have to collect the ash and mix it with a small amount of water. We have to collect the here when we are representing the arrow, when we are writing the equations here are different from those in mathematics. Mathematics and chemistry is different. The equations here are different from those in mathematics. In equations of this kind, the arrow implies becomes. In that, arrow implies the becomes. No attempt should be made to balance chemical equations at this stage. Okay. Now collect the ash. What will happen? We have to collect the ash. After burning, ash is there. We have to collect the ash. Collect the ash and mix it with a small amount of water and mix it a small amount, mix it with a small amount of water. Okay, we have to collect the ash and we can mix with a small amount of water. After that, stir the mixture aqueous solution well. Stir the mixture. After stirring, it will be form the aqueous solution. Okay, stir the mixture well. Test the mixture with blue and red litmus papers. Test the mixture with blue and red litmus paper. Test the mixture with blue and red litmus papers. Test the mixture with blue and red litmus papers. Does the mixture turn red litmus to blue, or does the mixture turn blue litmus to red? What we did, first we have to collect the ash and that ash is mixed with a small amount of water. Stir the mixture well and after that test the mixture with blue and red litmus papers. After that, blue litmus and red litmus papers we can test. On the basis of this test, how do you classify the aqueous solution is acidic or basic? On dissolving the ash in water, it forms a new substance. This change can be written in the form of the equation. Okay. On the basis of when we are test the mixture with blue and red litmus papers, what will happen? How it will be changed? Here, when we are tested, what will happen? Red litmus paper turn into the red litmus paper turn into blue. When we are tested with blue and red litmus paper turn into blue. So based on this test, what we have to understand? Here red litmus paper turn into the blue. Already in the acids bases we are discussed when we are discussed about the litmus test. Red to blue, that litmus paper changes its color. Red to blue means that is base. So by this test we have to understand magnesium oxide. Here magnesium oxide is formed. Already we are discussing magnesium. When we are burning the magnesium, what will happen in presence of oxygen to form magnesium oxide, MgO. Mg is reacted with oxygen O2 to form magnesium oxide, MgO. So magnesium oxide, after that ash collected and we have to add the water. Okay, we are adding the water and stir well. It will be form the magnesium hydroxide. Okay, by the equation we have to easily understand. On dissolving the ash in water, it forms a new substance. This change can be written in the form of the following equation. On dissolving on dissolving the ash in water, on dissolving the ash in water, it forms a new substance. On dissolving the ash in water, it forms a new substance. A new substance is formed, that is a chemical change. This change can be written in the form of the following equation. This change can be written in the form of the following equation. What is that equation? Here magnesium oxide formula MgO. Okay, what we are did, magnesium oxide is mixed with a small amount of water plus water, magnesium oxide plus water formula H2O gives rise to here magnesium oxide. We are mixing with small amount of water and we are stirring. After that, what happen? It will be form the magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide. What is the formula of magnesium hydroxide? MgOH2. This is a magnesium hydroxide. When we are collecting the ash, adding to the water, after that it will be form the magnesium hydroxide. This magnesium hydroxide, already as you have already learned in the chapter 5, magnesium hydroxide is a base. In the chapter 5, that is acids and bases. We already learned about the magnesium hydroxide is a base. So magnesium oxide is a new substance formed on burning of magnesium. Magnesium hydroxide is another new substance formed by mixing magnesium oxide with water. Here magnesium hydroxide is a base. So here magnesium hydroxide is a base. Here magnesium hydroxide is base. So magnesium oxide is a new substance formed on burning of magnesium. First magnesium oxide will be formed. Already we are discussed. Magnesium oxide is a new substance. Magnesium oxide is a new substance. Formed on burning of magnesium, burning of magnesium. Okay, magnesium hydroxide is base, so magnesium oxide is a new substance formed on burning of magnesium. This magnesium or hydroxide is another new substance. Magnesium hydroxide is another new substance, Okay, magnesium hydroxide is another new substance formed by mixing magnesium oxide with water. Formed by mixing magnesium oxide with water. Okay, here once you have to observe the equation, means we can understand everything easily. Okay, in the first, when we are burning the magnesium ribbon, what will happen? Magnesium is reacted with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. This magnesium oxide, MgO, this is a ash, magnesium oxide. After burning we can collect the ash. This ash is mixed with small amount of water. After that it will be form the magnesium hydroxide. In the last chapter we are discussing that magnesium hydroxide is a base. How can we identify magnesium hydroxide is a base? Already in the last chapter, antacid. Magnesium hydroxide is used for antacid. If we suffer from the acidity, means we can use the antacid tablets. Acids and bases we are discussed already. So magnesium hydroxide is a base. It is tested by the litmus paper. How can we test? Red litmus paper changes into the blue. By the test we can easily understand that is a base. Okay, this is about the activity about the chemical change of the magnesium ribbon, burning of magnesium ribbon. Okay, thank you.